In this video, I'm going to break down how to calculate concrete volume for your projects so you don't end up wasting cash or materials. Whether you're pouring a slab or setting footings, knowing exactly how much concrete you need is clutch to keep things smooth and on budget. Alright, first thing is measuring your area right. Grab a tape measure or laser and get the length and width for slabs, or the diameter if you're doing round footings. Then, figure out the depth or thickness of your pour. Keep all your measurements in the same units, usually feet or meters, because mixing them up will mess with your calculations big time. For slabs, multiply length times width times depth to get volume in cubic feet or meters. For footings, if they're rectangular, do length times width times depth again. If round, use the formula for cylinder volume, which is pi times radius squared times depth. Remember, pi is roughly 3.14159, but you can just use 3.14 for easy math. Once you get your volume in cubic feet, convert it to cubic yards by dividing by 27, since concrete is usually sold by the cubic yard in the US. If you want to be safe, add about 10% extra to cover spillage or uneven ground. Also, double check your numbers before ordering because it's way easier to adjust before the truck arrives than after it's poured. One of the biggest mistakes I see with calculating concrete volume is not measuring depth properly, which throws off the whole calculation. Always measure at the deepest point and use that for your volume. Another common slip is mixing units, like using feet for length and inches for depth without converting, which leads to ordering way too much or too little concrete. Lastly, people forget to add that extra 10% buffer and end up scrambling when they run out halfway through the job. Adding a little cushion keeps things chill and hassle-free. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you can get your concrete project done right without the stress. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners ready to build or fix stuff around their place.